How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your location services on your iPhone. We're going to go to settings. Mine is right here, but if you can't find it, you can always swipe down from the middle of your screen like so, type in settings, and the icon is going to appear here. Just click on it, and we're going to scroll down until we find privacy right here. Just click on that, and our first option says location services. As you can see, mine is turned on. Just click on this. Okay, now as you can see, it's on. If we click on this, it's going to turn off. Okay, as you can see, it says location services will be disabled for all apps, but your personalized location services settings for apps will be temporarily restored if you use Find My iPhone to enable lost mode. What that means is all of the apps that you have installed that use location, they won't be able to use it anymore. For example, any weather application you have, if it uses locations to know where you want to give the weather, it's not going to be able to give you that. However, the only exception, as you can see right here, it says for Find My iPhone. When you lose your iPhone, you can go to your iCloud and click on Find My iPhone. That's the only application that's going to remain open for location services. Okay, now back to this. You click here, turn off, and you're off. All your applications don't have a location service right now. So I don't recommend it, but if you want total privacy and you don't want any application to be tracking you, you can select this option. If you want to turn on location services again, just click here and you're back to normal. So I hope that helps, guys. Please follow me, like and subscribe so I can give you guys more helpful tips.